Everybody, it's time to go to the snow with my best friend. Getting ready. It's like 7 in the morning. I'm gonna give you guys a cold start. Sorry about if it's too so dark, but yeah. I'm gonna give you guys that cold start, and then we're gonna head out. I gotta go make some coffee too. Go pick up my friend Mario. Alright guys, see you guys later. Here goes the cold start. Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm back. Give you guys a cold start real quick before I head out. Still very dark outside, so I don't have that much light. Almost ready and warm, and we're about to head out to the mountains. Alright guys, we'll go back inside and we'll be at Mario's house in a second. I need to get gas and stuff too, so I'll be back. See you later. Peace. Yo, what's going on, guys? Today is a good day. My sister just said I can have one of the cars, the Toyota Matrix, my new Commuter. Yeah, I'm about to go wash it and get it ready for me to use. Perfect car for my family. And little trips, you know, save a little bit of gas. I just warmed up. Just turned on the shadow. She just warmed up a little bit before I move her. But yeah, here's the Matrix. Yeah, I've been waiting for this car for so long. Finally mine. Gonna do some repairs on it. Fix that little paint chips. Here. I'll fix the rest. Forget about my shadow. Oh yeah, the Matrix. Let's get it done. Get that cold start. I started earlier, so it's not really a cold start. See, it's so close. Well, thank you. miles on it. 189,000. Damn. It's about the same as my Stealth. It's running good though. She sounds pretty healthy. Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm back. I already started the car wash. Forgot to record it, but the first car wash for the Matrix. Yeah, let's get it. Kind of in the shadow right now, but yeah, she's getting there. Getting cleaner.